845, contact Newark departure 119.2. JetShare 845, contact Newark departure 119.2.
19.2, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, Newark. Departure. JetShare 845, Newark departure, radar contact 1700, increase your speed to 250.
Increase speed to 250, JetShare 845.
Verify altitude.
Climbing at 2000, JetShare 845.
Alright, thanks. JetShare 845, low altitude alert, check your altitude immediately. Newark altimeter 2988, climb and maintain 3000.
Climb and maintain 3000, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, I just want to make sure everything. JetShare 845, I see you descending here. You went down to 1200, back to 2100. Is everything okay here? JetShare 845, Newark. JetShare 845, Newark. JetShare 845, you can hear the transmission IDEP, please. JetShare 845, Newark approach. Teterboro Airport, just off your left side, about 8 miles. If you need to return to the field, there is no traffic in between you and Teterboro Airport at 3000. JetShare 845, Caldwell Airport, 11 o'clock and 3 miles. If you're able, I'm going to maintain 4000.
JetShare 845, declare an emergency. Request coming back.
JetShare 845, thank you. What do you need? Do you want Caldwell, Morristown, Teterboro, or Newark?
Let's go Newark, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, okay, radar vectors to Newark Airport. You're clear to Newark Airport. Via vectors, turn left heading 190. Can you maintain altitude 3000?
JetShare, we're trying, looks like we're having a trim issue. Hard to control the aircraft.
JetShare 845, proceed to Newark Airport. Your discretion on navigation. Are you able to make a left turn to Newark? Additionally, you have Morristown Airport, 11 o'clock, about 6 miles. Morristown's 11 o'clock, 6 miles.
Alright, give us a heading for Morristown, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, Morristown Airport, 12 o'clock and 4 miles. Morristown Airport, straight ahead, runway 23.
Right, heading straight ahead, JetShare 845.
Okay, do you want Morristown, ILS runway 23 is in use. The wind is 020 at 4, 5 miles visibility, drizzle, overcast 800. JetShare 845, the minimum vectoring altitude in your area is 2,500. JetShare 845, Morristown Tower, yep. JetShare 845, Morristown Tower, yep. All aircraft waiting for departure. It'll be a few minutes on our departure. We do have a aircraft in distress about 8 north of the airport. It'll be a few minutes. JetShare 845, Morristown Airport's off your left side, about 4 miles.
Yeah. Where are you?
JetShare 845, what able to say the souls and fuel on board?
2,000 bar, I'll give it a few now.
JetShare 845, how long of a runway do you need to land? We have a couple alternate airports that we can get you to. Let me know how much runway you need. JetShare 845, I can set you up for vector onto runway 11 at Newark Airport if you'd like. It's about 18 miles to the east, runway 11 at Newark if you'd like.
Yeah, we can take that, JetShare 845.
Alright, JetShare 845, turn left heading 130.
Left heading 130, JetShare 45.
JetShare 845, Newark, information wind 030 at 107 miles visibility, light rain. Two cars at 5,000, broken at 900.
JetShare 45.
Medic 2158, cancel approach clearance, maintain 200 knots, and turn right, right turn 180.
Right turn 180, cancel the approach clearance, United 2158.
Medic 2158, the reason for the cancel, looks like this emergency is going to try to shoot the ILS runway 11 here, so we're going to give him plenty of space, and we'll have to just have to hold for a minute.
Roger that, United 2158.
JetShare 845, the Newark localizer frequency for runway 11 10.9.15. Runway 11 localizer 10915. The localizer is up and active. Maintain at or above 2,000. Fly your present heading. Join the localizer for runway 11 into Newark Airport. JetShare 845. JetShare 845, intercept the localizer runway 11 to Newark on your present heading. You can acknowledge with denied end.
We're general localizer on the present heading, JetShare 845.
JetShare 845, when you're able, say the fuel and souls on board.
Right, we have 2 souls on board, and we have 4,200 pounds of fuel, so about 2 hours, JetShare 45.
JetShare 845, thank you.
Attention everyone waiting for departure. There's an aircraft in distress that's going to come in and make an approach to runway 11, sir. Going to be stopped for a bit.
No ground emergency truck 1.
Emergency truck 1.
We're just going to stay on Zulu, figuring it's going to come back to signature, but we're out here ready.
Yeah, exactly. Right now they're about 8 mile final for runway 11. So, yeah, you guys are good where you are.
Copy, thank you.
Emergency truck 1, you ready to copy down the information?
Yep, go 1 ready.
Alright, so it's a Citation C56 X-ray. 2 souls on board, 4,200 pounds of fuel, and still unknown issues.
JetShare 845, contact New York Tower 118.3, 18.3 today.
And now JetShare 845 on the ILS 11.
JetShare 845, New York Tower number 1, equipment is standing by, wind is 050 at 5, runway 11, clear to land.
11, clear to land, JetShare 45.
We've been watching him have a hard time maintaining altitude, so we can make some assumptions, but I don't want to say exactly.
If you get definitive information, let me know, otherwise.
You got it. Emergency truck 1, they're about 1.5 miles out now.
Okay, with you, thank you.
JetShare 945, do you require any assistance?
We did right now, design
JetShare 945, roger, make first available left turn to vacate. Taxi Zulu 5 to signature.
Okay, left hand, Zulu 5 to signature.